going to jump on the Fabletics bandwagon. I have been seeing commercials for what seems like forever, and I have never bought any of their leggings. I have been really trying to step up my fitness game, and so I thought, what better time to try the Fabletics and see how I like it. The first 2 pairs that you get are $24, and sometimes you can get 2 pairs of leggings. Sometimes it's a full outfit for that $24, and then you can cancel if you don't like it. If you decide to stay with Fabletics, then you get charged $49.95 a month, and that is for their VIP membership. I think you have until the 5th of the month to skip if you decide that you don't want anything for that month. All right, let's see. I really actually don't remember what I got. So I'm going to cut the bag and see what little gems are in here. And they do have all kinds of stuff. They have sports bras, they have tanks, they have leggings, and they're all seem to be so cute. So let's see what is in here. I might have I have 3 things, so I think I ordered an extra, to be honest. All right, these are a pair of black leggings. I did order the extra large, and they are the power hold. And it's a Mila high-waisted pocket capri. It says moisture wicking, compression fabric, all way stretch, and chafe resistant. All right, so it's just a pair of black leggings that have the mesh, and you'll be able to see a little bit better when we do the try on. All right, what else did I get? It looks like I ordered a little pair of running shorts. They look pretty small, like in the legs, like they're not very long, but I love that they have the reflector on the back, and it also has little pocket, I guess, if you wanted to like take your car key off or something like that. But this is the Hallie Run Short. It's moisture wicking, back pocket with reflective detail, interior pocket, and mid-rise waist. And I ordered those. I didn't know how their sizing would run, so I think I probably got all extra larges, maybe. It's been a while since I ordered these, and it says that they're worth $49.95. And then I have one more item. Oh, I did order a sports bra. Okay. That feels actually like really nice material. It's crisscross, so I'm trying to figure it out. Okay. Oh, no, it's one shoulder. I forgot, it's one shoulder. And this is the Indie Seamless Sports Bra, double layered, one shoulder design, and it's low impact, and $39.95, because I pretty much just work on strength training. I do 20 minutes of cardio, but most of what I do is strength training my arms and lunges, planks, that kind of thing. All right, so let's see what these look like. To start off, I put on the leggings and the one shoulder sports bra. I am going to step out of my comfort zone and let you guys see what it looks like. I feel like I'm not showing off a ton of skin because the sports bra comes down to here, and then the leggings are really high-waisted. These are the leggings. They are, on most people, probably a capri length. I'm only 5 foot on a good day, so they are not capri length on me, but they are nice and stretchy. I feel like they are going to be quite breathable and nice for working out. The mesh comes up only to about here on me, so I feel like I'm not showing off, you know, a lot of leg. And there is a pocket here for your phone. It is quite deep. Here is the back, and there is also a pocket on this side, so you can put, you know, your money or your keys or whatever in one, and then your cell phone, your whatever, and that side. All right, and then I just have on the tank that I am going to show you. All right, so this band comes down pretty low, and then it's high-waisted, and I do like the one shoulder. I feel like when I am in Tennessee, I used to do hot yoga. They don't have hot yoga here, but I can't wait to get back to it, and this would be a great breathable outfit for hot yoga. And then here is the back. I did order an extra large. For chest and normally in a Soma bra, am about a 38C or D depending on what the bra is. All right, I'm going to go ahead and I'll show you the shorts. I told you guys that I was gonna show you the shorts, but when I put them on, like I had said before, they looked very, very, very short, and they are. Like, I am aware that I showed you a sports bra, but these were like booty shorts, and I just, yeah, no thank you. And I mean, I couldn't do it. So those are no. If you have little bitty legs and a little bitty booty, and you could probably pull them off, but that just did not happen. All right, my final thoughts of this first Fabletics leggings. I did not know it when I had them on during the try on, but there is another little pocket inside the waistband. So there are a ton of pockets in these, which I love, especially if you're gonna be out on a hike or running or whatever. Now, my thoughts on the sports bra, I just kind of took it off and I should have fixed it. My thoughts on the sports bra, I really like it. I love that it's kind of double lined, so there's no nips showing or anything like that, and it's just really stretchy, and the fabric is really nice. So I'm looking forward to seeing what June sends me, what I can pick out, but I can guarantee you it won't be shorts. I'm probably gonna pick out some tanks because I need some of those for working out. All right, I hope everybody has a lovely day. If you liked this video, then please give it a thumbs up and like and subscribe it. And I hope everybody just goes out and is healthy and has a wonderful, wonderful day.
We're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life.